Yabona siphile esikhathini esinjani bazalwane. Pray that God remove toxic friends ebantwaneni bakho. All the fake friends, the pretenders, friends who do not support them, abangani abazobakhipha endleleni kaNkulunkulu. Abangeke babasondeze kuNkulunkulu. You must pray that God remove those friends. Ngegama lika Jesu. We are building a legacy of faith. Asingeke abantwana bethu sibavumele noma ngabe bona bangaphuma endleleni, kodwa ngeke baphume esandleni sikaNkulunkulu. Once we pray for them bazalwane, sesibavikela, we see i-destiny yavikelwa. We protect their destinies. Ngimila namhlanje ngufakazi waloko kokudlala. Mina umama wayivuka ngo2 ekseni, athandaza sihlebele. And thina ngoba ebuntwaneni bethu sizovuka ekseni sihleke. Look at what God did namhlanje. Look at what God did. Akasekho, but uNkulunkulu honored the prayers and God remembers the prayers of that woman. Obekahlala athandaza ngathi uyahlanya njalo ngo2. Sithene ekhaya uzongena room by room asihlebele. Ukuthi you are a woman of God, you are a prophet of God. Angeke ufele ezonweni ngikubiza ngegama. You will still remember, it echoes in my mind the prayers of my mother. Because umama mbeka minister to the destiny in me. Namhlanje ngimile ngiyaphila ngila ngikhona. It is because of imikhuleko yalo yamama. So let's continue to pray for our children. Let's continue to protect them emthandazweni. Umuntu wesifazane is a covering. Yabona mawungabe umama ungathandazi manje usenkingeni. Ngoba usathana akadlali. Akabalindi nokuthi bakhule. Yiko ngithi uJairus' daughter died at the age of 12. Ngingabo mama bazovuka ekseni. Protect their destinies.